विद्यार्थी मित्रों, अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशनचा प्रॉब्लेम सेट ए पार्ट आपण कंप्लीट केलेला आहे. आता आपण बी पार्ट चालू करणार आहे. बी पार्ट मध्ये एक्झाम्पल नंबर 7 टू एक्झाम्पल नंबर 14 पर्यंत असणार आहे. निश्चितच तुम्हाला ते आवडतील. चला तर सुरू करूया. अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन प्रॉब्लेम सेट बी पार्ट. Example number 7. In an AP, the first term is -5 and last term is 45. If sum of all numbers in the AP is 120, then how many terms are there what is the common difference? It's very simple question. We have given that the first term a is equals to -5, last term tn is equals to 45, and the sum of all the terms, that is a Sn is also given, which is 120. N is equals to question mark, D is equals to question marks, Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into t. Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket t1 plus tn. Therefore, by using this formula, Sn is 120, n upon 2 in bracket t1 is -5, tn is 45, that is 120 into 2 is equals to n in bracket -5 plus 45, that is 40. Therefore, n is equals to 240 upon 40, that is n is equals to 6. Therefore, tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Using this formula, we can find out the value of d. That is 45 is equals to -5 plus 6 minus 1 into d. That is 45 plus 5 is equals to 5d. That is a 50 upon 5 is equals to d. Therefore, d is equals to 10. And hence, the common difference d is 10. Therefore, there are the 6 terms in AP and the common difference D is 10. Number 8. The sum of the natural numbers from 1 to n is 36. Find the value of n. Now here given that the Sn is equals to 36, as the numbers are natural, therefore d is equals to 1. Also, numbers are from 1 to n, means what? A is equals to 1, Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, S n that is given 36 is equals to n upon 2. 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d. d is 1. Simplifies 36 into 2. n upon 2, that is it gets multiplied. n in bracket 2 plus n minus 1, that is 72. n plus 1, that is n square plus n. Therefore n square plus n minus 72 equals to 0. Simple quadratic equation. 72 multiplication, minus 72 multiplication otherwise plus 9n minus 8. Take n as common, then in bracket you will get n plus 9 minus 8, bracket n plus 9. Therefore n plus 9 in first bracket and n minus 8 in second bracket. N plus 9 equals to 0 or n minus 8 equals to 0. Therefore n is equals to minus 9 or n is equals to 8. n is equals to minus 9, it is not possible. Therefore we take the value of the n is equals to 8. And hence the value of n is 8. Next question. Question number 9. Divide 207 into 3 parts such that the numbers are in AP and the product of the two smaller parts is 4623. Now here there are the 3 parts which are in AP, that is A minus D, A and A plus D. Now the 3 numbers are in AP, we can write in this manner. A minus D is first, A plus D. Now their sum is 207. By the given condition, A minus D plus A plus D is equals to 207. Plus D minus D get cancelled, then you will get 3A is equals to 207. Therefore, A is equals to 207 upon 3, that is a 69. A is equals to 69. Now, by the second condition, product of smaller parts is A minus D and A is 4623. Therefore, A minus D into A is equals to 4623. Substitute the value of A, that is 69 minus D into 69 is equals to 4623. Therefore, 69 minus D is equals to 4623 upon 69, and after division, that 69 minus D is equals to 67. Therefore, D is equals to 69 minus 67 is equals to D. That is, D is equals to 2. The value of D is 2. Therefore, the numbers are A minus D, that is 69 minus 2 is equals to 67. Second is A, that is a 69, and third is A plus D is equals to 69 plus 2 is a 71. Hence the required numbers are 67, 69 and 71. अतिशय सोपी उदाहरणे घेतलेली यामध्ये, त्यामुळे जास्त काही विचार करण्याची आवश्यकता नाही. याच टाइपचे एक्झाम्पल्स आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट मध्ये केलेले आहेत. नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल नंबर 10. There are 37 terms in an AP. The sum of middle three terms is 225 and the sum of last three terms is 429. Find the AP. This we want to find out. There are 37 terms in AP. What is the middle term? The number of the middle term. Now here 37 terms means what? That is a 37 plus 2 upon 2. Here, that is here n is equals to 37. Therefore, the middle term is, that is a 37 plus 1, 38 upon 2. That is a 19 will be the middle term. 19th term will be the middle term. That is n plus 1 upon 2. या प्रकारचा फॉर्म्युला आपण मीडियन मध्ये वापरलेला आहे 9th स्टँडर्ड. That is the middle term is 19th is the middle term. Therefore, the term before that middle term is 18 and after the middle term is 20. Now by the given condition, T18 plus T19 plus T20, that is a 225, but Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus 18d, that is a plus 17d. Similarly, T19 means what? A plus 18d, a plus 19 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 18d, and T20 is equals to a plus 20 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 19d, and that's why now the sum of these middle terms a plus 17d, a plus 18d, a plus 19d is equals to 225. That is a 3a plus 17d, 18d plus 19d, that is a 54d is equals to 225. If we divide on both sides by 3, then you will get a plus 18d is equals to 75. Now this is the first expression. But Again, the sum of last 3 terms, that is 35, T35, T36 and T37 is equals to 429. Therefore, T35 is equals to. Again, apply the formula of the Tn. Tnचा formula आपण पुन्हा वापरणार आहोत. That is a plus 34d. T36 means what? A plus 35d. And T37, that is A plus 36d. Therefore, A plus 34d, A plus 35d, A plus 36d is equals to 429. Again 3A plus 105d, that is equals to 429. Again we will divide this expression by 3, then you will get A plus 35d is equals to 143. This is equation number 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. Now solve these two equations simultaneously. That is equation 2 minus 1. A plus 35d is equals to 143. And A plus 18d is equals to 75. Subtraction. Then you will get 17d is equals to 68. Therefore, d is equals to 4. Common difference is 4. We can find out the value of E. Put the value of d in any equation, that is equation number 1 or equation number 2. Put d is equals to 4 in equation 1. That is A plus 18d is equals to 75. A plus 18 into 4 is equals to 75. Therefore, A plus 72 is equals to 75. Therefore, A is equals to 75 minus 72. Therefore, A is equals to 3. And T is equals to 4. Therefore, T1 is A, that is equals to 3. T2 is equals to A plus D, that is a 7. Next is 11. Therefore, the required AP is 3, 7, 11, 15 in this way. Now next. Number 11, if the first term of an AP is A, the second term B, and last term is C. Then show that sum of the terms of AP is A plus C in first bracket, B plus C minus 2A upon 2 in bracket B minus A. It's very again simple example, but it is in the form of the variables. ABC च्या फॉर्म मध्ये आहे. प्रत्येकदा असं उदाहरण बघितल्यानंतर आपल्याला अवघड वाटतं, पण तसं काही अवघड नाही. 2-3 वेळा प्रॅक्टिस केली तर निश्चितच तुम्हाला ते जमू शकेल. Now T1 is A, T2 is B, Tn is C. Therefore, what is a D? T is a T2 minus T1. That is a B minus A. And also Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the value of Tn. That is the C is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is a Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is C is equals to A plus n minus 1 in bracket B minus A. Therefore, the value of n minus 1, because we will require the value of the n minus 1 also, that is C minus A, C minus B, and also n is equals to C minus A upon B minus A plus 1. If you simplify this, then you will get B plus C minus 2A. N is equals to B plus C minus 2A upon B minus A. Therefore, sum of nth terms of AP, so very simple, Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. But calculate the value of D, value of n and n minus 1. Substitute here, you will get the answer. The value of n is B plus C minus 2a upon B minus A whole divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1. The value of n minus 1 I have calculated, that is a C minus A upon E minus A into D. D is also calculated, that is a common difference. We know the first two terms, that is the B minus A is a common difference. Now this B minus A, B minus A, B minus A. From 1 and 2, we will substitute the values. Now here B plus C minus 2a upon 2 in bracket B minus A. Now simplify this, B minus A of the second term get cancelled. Then you get, that is a B plus C minus 2a upon 2 in bracket B minus C. Therefore in bracket A plus C, and hence the overall, the answer is B plus C, A plus C in bracket B plus C minus 2a upon 2 in bracket B minus C. This is the value of n. Now next, we write the final answer, that is A plus C in first bracket, second bracket B plus C minus 2a upon 2 in bracket B minus C. This is the final answer. Therefore, this type of examples are also very easy. 2-3 वेळा तुम्ही practice केली तर 100% तुम्हाला जमणार ते. Now the problem number 12. If the sum of first term, sum of the first p terms of an AP is equals to the sum of q terms of q terms, first sum of the first q terms, then show that sum of p plus q terms first p plus q terms is 0. Again, this is also a very simple problem, that is the P is not equals to Q. Now see this. Proof. Let A be the first term and D is a common difference. Therefore, the SP is equals to SQ. Substitute the value by the formula. Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, S suffix p is equals to S suffix p. That is p upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus p minus 1 into d is equals to q upon 2 in bracket 2a plus q minus 1 into d. Now here 2 get cancelled. That's a p in bracket 2a plus p minus 1 into d, q in bracket 2a plus q minus 1 into d on the left hand side upon, and that is equals to 0 multiplied 2 p ने आतल्या टर्म्स ला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं, q ने आतल्या टर्म्स ला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. That is a 2ap minus 2aq plus p minus 1 pd minus q minus 1 dq equals to 0. Now 2a is common, then in bracket you will get p minus q. And from this remaining 2 bracket, take the d as common. Now simplify this. The square bracket will simplify. That is a 2a in bracket p minus q, p square minus p, q square plus q into d equals to 0. That is a 2 in bracket p minus q plus in square bracket p square minus q square, minus sign common, then in bracket you will get p minus q bracket complete into d, but only the p square minus q square. That is in first bracket p minus q, second bracket p plus q minus p minus q bracket complete into d is equals to 0. That is the 2 in bracket p minus q plus p minus q in bracket p plus q minus 1 into d. Therefore, take the p minus q overall from these two terms. That is, you will get p minus q in bracket 2a plus p plus q in bracket minus 1 bracket complete into d equals to 0. But p is not equals to q. Therefore, p minus q is not equals to 0. Then what will be the 0? That is a 2a plus in bracket p plus q minus 1 into d is equals to 0. This is our main thing. हे पाहिजे होतं आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करण्यासाठी. Now what is s? p plus q. That is a p plus q upon 2. फक्त फॉर्म्युला इथे अप्लाय करायचा आहे. 2a plus in bracket p plus q minus 1 into d. Therefore, substitute the value of 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d, and that is 0, and therefore the sum of the p plus q terms is 0. Now next, त्याच टाइप्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लेम आहे पुढचा. आता सम वरती होता डिपेंडिंग असणारा एक्झाम्पल. नाउ द टर्म्स वर डिपेंडिंग असणारा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. इफ द m टाइम्स mth term of an AP is equal to n times of nth term of an AP, then show that m plus n term of AP is 0. Therefore, now find out the terms only. By the given condition, Tn is equals to, with that formula, that is the Tm into Tm is equals to n into Tm. The formula of the T, that is a plus m minus 1 into D is equals to n in bracket a plus n minus 1 into D. Simplify this. M in bracket a plus n minus 1 into D minus n in bracket a plus n minus 1 into D equals to 0. Ma, Na multiplied with n minus 1 into D minus Na minus n in bracket n minus 1 into D equals to 0. Now bring the terms, like terms together, that is the Ma minus Na plus m in bracket n minus 1 into D minus n in bracket n minus 1 into D equals to 0. Take A as common, therefore you will get m minus n bracket complete into A plus m in bracket n minus 1 minus n in bracket n minus 1 into D equals to 0. Now simplify this, m minus 1 into A plus m square minus n minus n square plus n bracket complete into D m minus n into A plus, now simplify this, m square minus n square minus in bracket m minus n bracket complete into D. Now simplify this, m minus n bracket complete into A plus m minus n in bracket m plus n m minus n into D equals to 0. Now take the m minus n common from the second bracket, then you will get m minus n into A plus m minus n, m plus n minus 1 into D equals to 0. M minus n, then in bracket you will get A plus in bracket m plus n minus 1 into D equals to 0. Now m is not equals to n, therefore m minus n is not equals to 0. And that's why A plus in bracket m plus n minus 1 bracket complete into D is equals to 0. Therefore m plus nth term of an AP, that is the T of m plus n, is equals to A plus m plus n minus 1 into D, that is equals to 0. T of m plus n is equals to 0. Now next, from one end, therefore T of m plus n is equals to 0. Now the last example, rupees 1000 is invested at 10%. Simple interest, rate of interest is 10%. Check if the interest amount at the end of every year is in AP. If this is an AP, then find amount of interest after 20 years. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट एपी मध्ये आहे किंवा नाही ते आपल्याला शोधायचं आहे. पहिल्या वर्षाचा सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, दुसऱ्या वर्षाचा 2 वर्षासाठीचा सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, 3 वर्षासाठीचा सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. नाउ सी दिस, द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट That is P is equals to 1000, R is equals to 10, N is equals to 1. Therefore, SI, simple interest, is equals to PNR for 1 year, PNR upon 100, that is equals to 1000 into 1 into 10. 1000 into 1 into 10 upon 100, that is equals to 100. Simple interest for 1 year. For 2 years, that is PNR upon 100, that is 100, 1000 into 2 into 10 upon 100, that is a 200. The simple interest for the 2 years is 200. या प्रकारे आपल्याला पुढच्या सर्व वर्षांसाठी त्या वर्षाला सिंपल इंटरेस्ट वाढत जाणार आहे. Simple interest for N is equals to 3. That is SI is equals to PNR upon 100. That is 1000 into 3 into 10 upon 100. That is equals to 300. Therefore, for first year, N is equals to 100, N is equals to 2, 200, N is equals to 3, it is a 300, A is equals to 100, D is equals to also 100, 200 minus 1, 200 minus 100, that is 100, A is equals to 100, D is equals to also 100, N is equals to 20, therefore, Tn is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is the T20 is equals to 100 plus 20 minus 1 into 100, 100 plus 19 into 100, that is the 1900, and that is equals to 2000. Therefore, T20 is equals to 2000. That is the amount of simple interest after 20 years is rupees 2000. And in this way we have completed arithmetic progression problem set, practice set पूर्ण केलेले आणि या प्रकारे हा चॅप्टर आपला पूर्ण संपलेला आहे. या प्रकारे अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन हे चॅप्टर आपण पूर्ण केलेलं आहे. यापूर्वीच चॅप्टर नंबर 1, चॅप्टर नंबर 2 आणि हे चॅप्टर नंबर 3 हे 3 चॅप्टर्स पूर्ण झालेले आहेत. जर तुम्ही कोणी या चॅनलवरती नवीन असाल तर तुम्ही निश्चितच सबस्क्राइब करा, लाईक करा आणि तुमचे जे कमेंट असतील तर कमेंट बॉक्स मध्ये लिहा. निश्चितच मी तुम्हाला तुमच्या प्रश्नांची उत्तरं देईन. आता यानंतरचं पुढचे चॅप्टर जे असणार आहे ते फायनान्शियल प्लॅनिंग असणार आहे. टिल देन, गुड बाय.